So today, the President of the United States was on Meet the Press, and he was asked whether it is his duty to uphold the Constitution. His answer may shock you, or maybe it won't shock you. This is what he said.
Don't you need to uphold the Constitution of the United States as president?
I don't know. I have to respond by saying again, I have brilliant lawyers that work for me.
So the President of the United States doesn't know whether it's his duty to uphold the Constitution, which is surprising considering this is what the President said just a few months ago when he took the oath of office.
I will, to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend
preserve, protect, and defend
the Constitution of the United States.
the Constitution of the United States.
But clearly that oath means very little to the President of the United States. He was also asked in that connection, that is his duty to uphold the Constitution, whether he would uphold the Fifth Amendment. That requires due process. This is what the Fifth Amendment says. It says that we are entitled that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. So the president is asked about that today as well.
The Fifth Amendment says
I don't know. It seems it might say that, but if you're talking about that, then we'd have to have 1 million or 2 million or 3 million trials.
That's right. The president complains that, well, giving due process, as the Constitution requires, would be cumbersome. It would be, it might occasion delays in the courts. Do they actually have to give people a right to appear before they're deported to a maximum security prison in El Salvador? The answer is yes. So you can determine whether there's a legal basis to do it, or even if you have the right person, or whether you're rendering a U.S. citizen to a foreign prison. So yes, it might be time consuming, but it's also necessary. The Constitution wasn't written to maximize efficiency. The Constitution was written to maximize our freedom. And without the checks and balances in the Constitution, without due process, then, yeah, we have a more efficient government. It's called dictatorship. But that is not the government of the people, by the people, and for the people.